Good morning, YouTube. It is January 4th, 2025. Haven't got back to the combine yet. Have some parts prepped and ready for reassembly. But we've been preparing for the last 2 days, actually, over at the business and at home, getting everything tucked away for the great storm of 25. I don't know how bad it's going to be, but we're preparing. They're saying anywhere from 9 to 15 inches, depending on what forecast you look like, and starting tonight at midnight. So all day Sunday, whiteout conditions, and right now we have nothing out there. He's going to bring the four-wheeler in. We're going to put that in the small heated shop over there. We keep that 50 degrees in the winter. Out here we turn the tube heaters on as needed. Last night it got down to 16 and we were 40 in here this morning when I came in. So we went and got the backhoe out of storage. Don't use this as much as I used to. And we're going to do a little quick maintenance, get it greased, check all the fluids, and we're going to clean the battery terminals. Had a maintainer on this battery. This battery's been amazing to me. It's back when Walmart sold a good battery. That is a 2015. She starts it all summer and most of the fall, but when the cold weather comes, she gets pretty draggy. So I keep a maintainer on it, and we need to clean the terminals. So that's what we're going to do today, is clean the terminals, grease, and check the fluids. All right, I have cleaned the posts, cleaned the top off, 2015. And we had 2 cells that were a little low. We put some distilled water in there, one here and one there. The rest of the cells were fine. Probably do all this work, and then the battery will officially go bad. You could say it's bad right now. It only works in the summertime, consistently all through the summer once it warms up, but the cold weather will zap it if you let it out in the barn. Now we're going to clean the terminals and get it all mounted back in there. Timothy's got a lot of the tractor greased already, and just doing some maintenance been needing to be done, and we're going to get ready to push some snow here. Battery cables are all cleaned up. The tray is getting pretty thin. Have to put one of them in eventually, but it's going to hold up now. Like I said, we don't use this that much. And got these all cleaned up. Next maintenance, probably going to have to replace the cables, especially the ground. Got it spread apart, did some filing on it. Anyway, we got a piece of rubber that lays in there. The old rubber is coming out. So we have that. Lay that back in there. And let's put the battery back in and let's go to work and see how it does. Okay, what I'm done is I have installed a Nico Genesis 2D battery charger, direct mount, and maintainer. My biggest gripe about the 580E, I love everything about it. This thing has been spectacular to me, but the footstep is the battery compartment. So you have to have 9/16 wrenches to get in to your compartment. This all mounted in there, which I will do in a minute, is so when you have to jump the machine for some reason, like if your battery's a 2015, however, I don't usually have to jump it, you have to take this all out. So what I decided to do, since I had to do battery maintenance anyway, is use this handle, because I don't want to take the time today to drill in, make a mount on the side, and so on for the battery charger. I have a maintainer that I'm going to have on there, be able to look through the hole and see the little light here, and when I'm not using this because we're doing other things, and this does not get used a lot anymore. I would like to be using it more, but other duties call and we have to do other things. So that's what I've done. These have I built a little plastic protector. I have a little theory. This is all my theory. If I can keep the battery, if you will, sweating or whatever of the acid or fumes maybe off of that. They have those little red and green with some chemicals in them, but I don't have one today. Made a little plastic shield to go around the post, and then I've also put battery protectant. Let me show you that. Get this at Napa, part number 1073, battery terminal protector. So we will be in 25. That's a 10-year-old battery. We'll be in February. See if we can squeeze a little more life out of it. This was back when Walmart sold really good batteries. I was always impressed with them. Everybody's like, that's Walmart. But I ran them in a lot of machinery. They had a 3-year free replacement plus 2 years prorated. So if there was any problems, you just took it in there. They looked at it, the date, said, get a new one. So that was back when I feel they sold some really good batteries. I haven't bought any from them in a long time now. Other people may have differing opinions, but can't argue with it. Make sure we're in neutral, and how I'm standing out of the cab. Fired right up. And that's what this battery does. Now that I have the maintainer on it, I think it, during the summer, it always fires up. So, that all being said, let's put the cover on it, and battery maintenance is done. Battery done. And, as I was hoping, I can look in there and see that it's maintaining it. So, battery's 2015, battery maintainer 1425. So, I think this job is complete. And now, we wait for the snow. The next time we open this door, we should have 15 inches or less of snow. We're in the launch position, ready to open the doors and begin. Like, share, and subscribe as we bring you the January 25, 2025 snowstorm. Thanks for watching.